Good afternoon, everyone. This is Heather from Enlighten Properties. Today I'm here in Lucky One Residence in JVC, and today I'm going to show you a 2-bedroom apartment with study room. So without further ado, let's go and have a look. Welcome again. So this is the apartment. Here we have open kitchen with built-in dishwasher, stove, grill, oven, and built-in fish freezer. Over here we have a living area. Here we have our first bathroom with a shower. We have our laundry space with a washing machine. And this is our study room with the built-in wardrobes. I'm going to show you the first bedroom. This is the attached bathroom with shower. So this apartment, we have one balcony which is connected with living area, and you have a kids play area. This is the second bedroom. The apartment size is 1,034 square feet. It has 2 bedroom, 3 bathroom with shower and kitchen with appliances. And the price of this apartment is 1.4 million. But there's a good news. You can pay this money with a payment plan of 60% and 40%. 60% is down payment and 40% you can pay until 2027.